Namaskar. This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio, welcoming listeners in West Europe and the United Kingdom, Australia and New Zealand. Listeners in West Europe and the United Kingdom can hear us on 7,550 kilohertz in the 41-meter band, 6,280 kilohertz in the 49-meter band, 9,445 and 9,950 kilohertz in the 31-meter band. For listeners in Australia and New Zealand, this service is available on 9,910 kilohertz in the 31-meter band, 11,620 and 11,715 kilohertz in the 25-meter band. We'll begin the transmission with today's press review, the script by Arun Joshi.